Keycard activation, take you around and show you inside. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in the Sanur area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a club room here at the Prama Sanur beach, Bali. So I've already made a previous video here at the Prama Sanur beach, Bali, where I featured a superior and a deluxe room. Unfortunately, on my day of visit there was no room available to feature a room type that would be ideal and suitable for families. In today's video I'm going to rectify that and supply you with a view to a club room which has a connecting door, sort of making the room ideal for friends and family travelling together. So as I've stated, I've already done a full room and facility tour of the Prama. So in today's video I'm only going to include this club room type. I shall add the link to in the description of this video if you want to see all of the rest of the facility and everything here at the Prama. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you the club room here at the Prama. Okay, so this is a club room here at the Prama. This is room 152 we're going to feature in the video. This is with a connecting room, so it's suitable for family and friends. That's 154 next door. There's your garden setting and a little bit of a water feature here outside the room. So 152, keycard activation, take you around and show you inside. Okay, so as soon as we step foot inside, we're greeted by twin beds. This is a connecting room, so on the opposite side, I'll show you the door in a moment, there is a double bed. So just either side of the bed we have bedside cabinets, bedside lighting, beautiful decorative headboard behind the bed, beautiful decoration in the ceiling, the gold leaf decoration. It's coming back down to the beds. So just zooming in here, here's a bedside cabinet on this side of the bed. Have lighting in the base of the bedside cabinet. It's a laminate finish. All our light switches are on the wall there. Multi-socket power point. There's a bedside light. Beautiful headboard behind the beds here. Just down to the beds. Immaculately clean bedding. Okay, so just turning around from our beds, and directly opposite our beds we have an LG flat screen TV, an area for suitcases, we have a desk working area. Now here's the door that I was talking about. So this is a connecting room suitable for family and friends if you're travelling together. The double bed is on that side of the room there. So back to this area here now. So here we have an area for suitcases. Down below we'll start from left to right. So again, this is all a laminate finish, it's not wood. Huge LG flat screen TV up above there. Just here we have a desk working area, soft cushion seating chair, multi-socket power points, two on the wall there, light switches, have an information brochure, TV guide, TV remote, some information there. Just down below there in the base we have a waste bin. Just up above here we have a shelf featuring a plastic tray with a collection of tea, coffee, sugar, creamer, Prama mugs in the back there. Have an electric kettle, power point to the side there. Up above that we have another shelf featuring 2 bottles of aqua, another shelf up above that, and then just here we have a mini refrigerator. Nice and clean inside the mini refrigerator. Okay, so just from a desk and a TV area, just up above there is a vented air conditioning. Just turning around from a bed, and in this corner here we have 2 soft cushion seating chairs. We have a little mini table in the middle of the chairs. Just on the wall there we have a full-length dressing style mirror. Just here we have our other bedside cabinet. Pull-out drawer in the bedside cabinet. We have a phone, we have a notepad, we have a multi-socket power point, our light switches. There's a lamp again on this side of the bed. Another angle on your beds. Okay, just from our beds now we're going to make our way back to the bathroom in the wardrobe area. So that's your bathroom. Looking into the bedroom we have a blanked out window there, or a nice design on the window. So just here is a big wardrobe facility area. Have a collection of drawers in the base there. Have a laptop style safety deposit box here. Just up above that we have a collection of shelving. Just from a shelving we'll open a first wardrobe. So just inside the wardrobe, just in the top there, we have a shelf, have a metal rail, big collection of wooden coat hangers, also have a robe provided, have some slippers in the base there, laundry bags also. That's our first wardrobe. And then just next door to this wardrobe here we have a single wardrobe. There's no light in that one. We have a shelf in the top, some shelving in the base there. Okay, and then just opposite our wardrobes, just turning around, we have our entrance to a bathroom. So we have a wooden door with a mirror on the door. And then directly opposite, as soon as we enter into the bathroom, we have our wash basin, have a huge mirror with lighting surround. Cabinet down below our wash basin. We'll start in the base. So just in the base there we have a waste basket, spare toilet rolls, toilet roll holder also, some tissues. It's coming back up to the top, there's a wash basin, nice and clean. Have a soap on the side there in a glass dish. 2 glasses, shaver point on the side there. Just turning around behind the door that we entered, you do have a roller blind on the window, shielding it off from the bedroom. You want your privacy. And then just turning around, and next door to a wash basin we have a toilet. Just up above a toilet we have some shelving, we have some amenities in here, dental kit, sanitary bag, shower cap, vanity kit, all in there. Have a tissue box up above there. And then just next door to our toilet we have a walk-in shower. We have a glass divide between the toilet and the shower. Oh, so it isn't actually an enclosed shower cubicle. Just before we go into the shower we have a metal towel rack rail on the door there. Also have a towel rail on the glass door leading into the shower. And then as soon as we step inside the shower we have an overhead rain shower, handheld shower. Have a handrail on the wall there. Some shampoo, conditioner and shower gel there in the so look at the base of a shower, nice and clean. Okay, so now after coming from our bathroom, we'll just give you one last look at the bedroom. Nice good sized room this. And then now just here we have a balcony area. So we have nets and curtains over the door leading out onto the balcony. And a lock on the door here. And then as soon as we step foot outside we have 2 synthetic chairs, synthetic table. And then just from the chairs there we have a view out into the gardens. This is actually at the front of the Prama. There's a tennis court over there. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my room tour of the club room here at the Prama Sanur Beach, Bali. So as you've seen with the camera in today's video there, that room type is going to be ideal for those of you that are travelling as family or friends, having the connecting door between the rooms. On the other side of that room is a double bed. That room that I featured in the video was a twin bed type. It's the only one available. This is a very, very busy resort. As I stated in the beginning of the video, I've already done a full room and facility tour, which the majority of the room types here at the Prama are Superior and Deluxe. I've featured those in a separate video and give you a full facility tour. So if you wish to see the full facility, just I shall add the link in the description of this video so you can take a look at that. But all in all, that room is just ideal for those of you travelling as family and friends. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful and maybe want to give consideration to staying here at the Prama. And I shall say bye for now.